Hi everyone. Today I want to explain the difference between Kubernetes Liveness probe and Readiness probe. Whenever Kubernetes starts a new pod, the underlying application may need some time to perform some initialization. It could be connecting to a database, loading configurations, or building caches. During this time, we have two important questions. Is the application ready to receive traffic, and is the application still healthy? That's exactly why Kubernetes provides these two probes. Now let's look at the readiness probe. Readiness probe answers one simple question. Can this pod receive traffic? If the readiness check succeeds, Kubernetes adds the pod to the service and the pod starts receiving a request. If the readiness check fails, then Kubernetes removes the pod from the service. The important thing is that Kubernetes does not restart the pod if the readiness check fails. The pod keeps running. It simply stops receiving traffic until it becomes ready again. That's the key difference. Now let's look at the Liveness probe. Liveness probe answers one simple question. Is the application still healthy? Sometimes an application hangs because of deadlock or some issues within the application itself. The container is still running, but the application is no longer working correctly. If the Linus probe keeps failing, Kubernetes restart the container automatically. So unlike the readiness probe, the Linus probe is responsible for recovering an unhealthy application. So the key takeaway is that readiness probe controls traffic. So if it fails, Kubernetes removes the pod from the service and the underlying pod stop receiving any request. Liveness probe control restarts. If it fails, Kubernetes restart the pod. So remember these two questions. Readiness probe, can I receive the traffic? Liveness probe, should I still be running? That's the key difference between these two probes. Thank you.